video, I make the pad thai sauce, right? I'm finished. But now I'm going to show you how to make pad thai, okay? And the ingredient I have here, I'm going to make a shrimp flavor, okay? So I have a shrimp, fresh, medium size. And then I have the noodle, okay? Rice noodle is, I'll be right back. Let me show you the back. Okay, see, I went to grocery and I get like jantaburi, okay? This noodle is really good. You know, I know it's very popular in Thailand. Everybody use it. And we be able to find the one not fresh but dry one. Then you soak in the water like about, well, I soak mine overnight, okay? Like I said, I always prepare my food night before, so I soak this last night, okay? So they're nice and soft. All right, and here I have a fish sauce, okay? And this is Sriracha, okay? Sriracha is like, they have like vinegar flavor and then also give some color to your pad thai too. And it's really good and I love this product too, okay? I'm not advertising. And I have egg and tofu, fried tofu. I picked the fried one because it's you can put in refrigerator longer, okay? And then I have a radish right here, sweet radish, okay? You want to get the sweet one if you can, okay? That way I don't have to rinse them. And then I have a side vegetable here, and I have a long bean and cucumber, banana flower or banana blossom, bean sprouts, and this one I have from my garden. You have to have this, okay? But if you don't have, you can use onion. But this one is go with pad thai I have in my backyard. So มีอย่างนอกเขาเอิ้นผักแป้นนะ you know.
Krachai.
It's kind of garlic, okay? Wild garlic, like that, okay? I'll leave the name for you, okay? Or Thai they say Krachai, okay? Okay, let's get started. So they cut like a square piece. They're a little too big, so you wanna chop them a little bit, okay? Make it a little small. Make it small pieces, okay? Okay, I picked the medium size shrimp. Okay, take off the shell. Keep on me. You wanna remove the shell like that, okay? And hold on tight. Use your knife, cut it open to the center to remove the vein. See? Like that, okay? And then some of them I already peel out the shell. Continue doing that, okay? Okay, what I do, I use vegetable oil to cook my shrimp, okay? Okay, what I do, gonna go ahead, bing, see how like it's creamy on top, like with the oil. Put it over my shrimp a little bit to get the flavor. See how the color changing and have a good aroma. Make sure you cook your shrimp good both sides, okay? Turn them. See, I put my salt just a little bit to get like, flavor, color. Okay, that's good enough, okay? Add the vegetable oil to my pot. Let it heat up, okay? You wanna cook your tofu? Okay, my tofu is about to be cooked right there, and I push them to the side, and I go ahead and put my sweet radish. You see my radish start to be cooking, and tofu is start cooking too. It's kind of golden color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the egg, put in this corner. I like eggs, so I put lots of egg on mine. Now I got everything all cooked, right? Okay, now look at my pad thai sauce. That look good, right? Okay. See? สีงามบ่สีงามบ่ Okay, see how like you want to work on your noodle first, okay? To make it nice and soft. And make sure the noodle is cooked first. And don't worry about the egg and the other stuff. Just leave them on the side like that, okay? They won't burn. So just continue work on this noodle. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put like my chicken flavor, just a little bit. Fish sauce. Okay, see, it's still not cooked enough, so I'm gonna put the broth in a little bit. I mean my sauce, a little bit more. Now I go ahead mix everything together. Scrap it out good. There's a good stuff in here. Hom.อันนี้เอาฮอตซอสลงสีละสาลง You know, if you love the vinegar, you can use this. Some people don't like it. You don't have to, but I do. I love it. It's so good. I like spicy. It's a sad ball. These sprouts. Turn off the heat. Okay, last but not least, I put my long bean into it a little bit because I like it. The taste like crispy, crunchy, okay, from the long bean. Okay, let me pick the place for you guys, okay? Yummy. โอเคผัดไทยแล้วเป็นตาแซ่บบ่ป้าไปกินข้าวน้ำกันเนี่ยแบบนี้หอมลองเฮ็ดเบิ่งเด้อป้าไปกินข้าวมากินผัดไทย Come on you guys eat pad thai with me okay let me tell you a little bit about pad thai okay you have to prepare the sauce night before or whatever okay and then kind of like step by step okay and then they're gonna come with the vegetable okay like this is the banana flower or banana blossom cucumber long bean and the most important and เป็นอันนี้ผักแป้น or กระชาย okay or wild onion something like that okay and then they're gonna come with the lamb okay and then they're gonna give you like ground peanuts like this put the peanut on top whatever they put on the side for you you go ahead put it in like that and they're gonna have a chili pepper like pepper flake you know put that on too it depends on how much hot you want and then when my pad thai is not very sweet like many restaurants they make very sweet and I compromise that I don't put too much sweet if you want sweet pepper get in my nose put sugar on top of it like that okay that looks so good. You can use chopstick you want to. I'm gonna go with this. Sad. And then you wanna mix it well. I'm just gonna mix the area that I'm gonna eat for right now because I have a big place, right? ชิมเด้อมาเด้อมากินน้ำกันคุณน่ะแซ่บหลายครับนะข้าวฟูชุ่มกินแบบมีความสุข กุ๊กเนื้อกินเนาะลองมันได้ปะจ๊ะยอดปีมันเป็นผัดปลามันแซ่บเผ็ดอันนี้หอมโอ้ยยับเข้ามาใกล้ๆเนาะมันแซ่บหลายต้องยับเข้ามาใกล้ๆกินตานะอย่างนี้แบบคันมัดเพชรยำหมักแตงใส่ซอสเพชรTry to make this, okay? And when you watch my video, make sure you comment, cook it. Tell me how it tastes like, okay?แซ่บนะว่าแซ่บหลายโอเคมื่อหน้าพ่อกันเนาะถือบักเผ็ดขนาดแต่ว่าแซ่บโอเค I see you guys next time, okay? Make sure you subscribe my video, alright? See you next time. Bye bye, ลาคุณ